Finally, a powerful upgrade for your car's infotainment. Today, we're unboxing a 9-inch Android car stereo with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, a complete package for performance, entertainment, and smart connectivity. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. Right on top, we have the main unit, a sleek 9-inch touchscreen display with a premium glass finish. Inside the box, we also get a complete wiring harness for easy plug-and-play installation, a GPS antenna for accurate navigation and real-time tracking, on the back, we also get RCA outputs for audio expansion, including dedicated subwoofer output for deep bass, and front and rear pre-outs to connect external amplifiers for speakers. This makes it easy to upgrade your sound system and get much better audio performance compared to the built-in amplify. 2 USB extension cables for media playback and charging devices. A reverse camera input cable for parking assistance. An external microphone for clear hands-free calling. The display features an IPS panel, which means better brightness, wider viewing angles, and smooth touch response. Build quality feels solid, and the slim bezels give it a modern, premium look. Now let's talk about the performance and specs. This unit comes with 4GB RAM for smooth multitasking, 64GB internal storage for apps, music, and videos, powered by an octa-core processor for fast response. It runs on Android OS, giving you access to the Play Store and full app support. You get a 9-inch HD touchscreen display, perfect for navigation, videos, and reverse camera view. It supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, split-screen multitasking, mirror link for phone display. For connectivity, this stereo includes Bluetooth for calls and music, Wi-Fi for internet access, GPS navigation with voice guidance, dual USB ports for media and charging. It also features a built-in amplifier delivering around 50 W/X4 output, along with DSP equalizer settings for better sound tuning. You also get support for steering wheel controls, reverse camera input, 360-degree camera compatibility, and full multimedia playback. Overall, this 9-inch Android stereo with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is a solid upgrade for any car, combining performance, smart features, and entertainment in one package. If you're looking to modernize your car setup, this is definitely worth considering. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tech and DIY builds.